Welcome to lesson number 3, and today we are going to learn about real-life application of Pythagoras' theorem. In case you did not watch lesson 1 and 2, you can check in the description part and click on the links below. So for now, let's continue with our lesson. Remember, Pythagoras' theorem only applies to right-angled triangles. And for this case, we have got a right triangle ABC. So we need to know that the hypotenuse is AB, which is the longest side of the triangle. So in that case, we say AB squared equals BC squared plus AC squared. And then this can be the same as C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Let us now look at example 1. A builder climbed up a ladder as shown in the figure. The top end of the ladder reached the wall at 2.4 meters above the ground. If the bottom end of the ladder is 0.5 meters far from the wall, how long is the ladder? So we need to know how long is this ladder. We see that the distance between the wall and the ladder is 0.5 meters, and the ladder moved and covered 2.4 meters from the ground. So you can see that this scenario forms a right triangle, and for that case we need to know the hypotenuse. So since this is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagoras' theorem. So we get x squared equals 2.4 squared plus 0.5 squared to get 5.76 plus 0.25, and we get 6.01. Then, since we need to know the length of the ladder, it can't be a negative. So that's why we will take the positive square root of 6.01. And for that case, we get the approximate length of 2.45. Therefore, the ladder is approximately 2.45 meters. Let us move on with example 2. The conveyor belt in a factory is placed on one base of height 5 meters at point A and on another base of height 7 meters at point B as shown in this picture. So you can see we have two bases. One base is A and another base is B. B is 7 meters from the ground and A is 5 meters from the ground. Okay, so base A and B, they are 4 meters apart. 4 meters. So you can see that we are forming a right triangle. We are forming a right triangle whereby this is A, this is C, and this is B. So you can see that AC is 4 meters and BC it is 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2 meters. So for that case, we need to find AB. So we can say that AB squared equals BC squared plus AC squared. So we get BC, which is 2, so we get 2 squared, plus AC, which is 4, so we get 4 squared. So that will be 4 plus 16, and we get 20. Since we need the length, we know that the length cannot be a negative. So we will take the positive square root of 20, such that we get almost 4.47. Therefore, the conveyor belt is approximately 4.47 meters long. I hope you can see how the Pythagoras theorem can be applied in real situations. So, for more examples and practice questions about this lesson, get this textbook on page 72 to 85. In the next lesson, we are going to look at the converse of Pythagoras' theorem, and this will be on page 86. Thank you and goodbye.